Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best belt sander you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best belt sander in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 pick is Makita 9403. This is a 4x24 tool that not only offers a lot of power and speed but is also quieter as compared to the earlier model from this brand. The noise level is just 84 dB, which means that it hardly makes any sound even during the most strenuous projects. Furthermore, it comes with a dust bag that is made of cloth, and there is a reason that this is important. Our second best belt sander is Makita 9903. It is powered by an 8.8 amp motor and has the ability to maintain consistent speed even under load. This is made possible by the electronic speed control, which allows you to manage the speed as per your needs. It also comes with an auto-tracking belt system, which ensures that it tracks the belt without any adjustment. Number 3 in our list is Win6502T. This is a capable 2-in-1 belt sander that is equipped with 2 disc belts measuring 4x36 and 6x6 respectively. The belts are complemented by its ability to tilt from 0 to 90 degrees to provide better coverage and productive output. This makes it suited for heavy-duty jobs, and so it is fitted with a cast iron base. The base prevents heavy vibrations and allows you to have a firm grip on the device. Our fourth pick is Hitachi SB8V2. This brand has been around for a long time, and so most users will be sure to check out its products. Having said so, past achievements are no guarantee of future success, and so the Hitachi SB8V2 variable speed is built to handle several tasks with ease. This is made possible by the 9 amp motor that provides a no-load speed ranging from 820 to 1475 feet per minute. Let's watch more.
This is Hitachi's 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander, model SB8V2. A belt sander like this is excellent for rapid material removal. Whether you're using it on wood or metal or to grind down paint, this tool is going to have great power, you have lots of control, and it's terrific for any type of project, whether in the house, in the shop, or general contracting. It features a powerful 9 amp motor and a variable speed dial here located at the bottom of the handle. Also, it has a convenient trigger lock so that you can keep the tool running while you're using it for extended periods. This is going to aid with fatigue and allow you to have much greater control so you don't have to worry about pressing the trigger while you're using the sander. When using a belt sander like this, you're going to create a lot of dust. To help with this, Hitachi has provided a dust collection bag, which is easily removed, unzipped, and emptied and placed back on the tool. This will collect most of your dust. However, if you're going to use it inside or in an area that you want to create no dust, you can easily remove the bag, attach a hose from any vacuum or dust collector that you may have at home or in the shop, and then you're going to have practically dust-free sanding. The sander also comes equipped with a clear front cover. This allows you to view the belt while you're sanding. It also aids with tracking of the belt. Now what I mean by this is, to get the belt to move and be centered on the sander itself, or to move it left or right to get up close to a corner, you can turn this small knob here. What this will do is adjust the angle of the roller, and that will move the belt left or right so that you can get either tight up to the left or right. And by viewing through this clear window in the front, you'll easily be able to see where the belt is landing within the sander, and also check to make sure that you don't have excessive buildup on the belt itself. Changing the belts on this sander is also extremely simple and easy. Just pull this lever in the middle, it loosens the pulley assemblies that tightens the belt. Simply remove the belt, replace, slide a new one on, snap this lever back and you're ready to sand again. Hitachi has also improved the drive belt system on this sander. A wear-resistant V-belt doubles the service life of the belt drive. A V-groove design helps resist wear and provides superior tension from the motor to the belt assembly. They have also provided soft gripped handles at the front and the rear of the tool. This will provide a comfortable grip for extended use of the tool. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, so this tool will be around for a long time.
Last in our list is tacklife PSFS 1A. This is a 2-in-1 sander that comes with 2 metal screw clamps. These clamps give you the option of turning this tool over and fixing it to the table. Thus, it can function as a bench sander as well. You have the option of using the lock-on button that ensures you have more flexibility. The motor, in turn, comes equipped with a 6-dial variable speed knob that allows you to adjust the speed between 0 to 560 RPM. Let's watch more about this product.